Good morning, everyone. In our last session, we talked about how to build your blogs using ChatGPT. Today, it's time to take things further and show you how to create your social media pages, especially on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So you can start sharing your content through these channels. So these platforms are key to reaching more people and getting your message out there. So let's dive in and get your social media presence up and running. First thing first, why social media is very important in your marketing campaign. These days, social media is super important for marketing because it's where everyone hangs out online. So platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok let businesses talk directly to their customers and show off what they're all about. And of course, to build connection with people. So that's the most important thing why we are pushing you to do some social media marketing as well. And for just for a fun fact, in these are some of the stats from Canada, how social media are being utilized. So in Canada, most people use Facebook with about like 77% of adults on the platform, which is roughly around 23 million Canadians. Facebook is especially popular with people age 25 to 44, according to this data that I have. And for Instagram, Instagram is also widely used, like 55% of adults on it. Younger Canadians, especially those 18 to 29, are the biggest group. It's making up a large part of the 14 million active users for Instagram alone. And then for TikTok, it's a growing, it's a fastly growing social media platform. Like 43% of adults using it, and it's especially popular with younger users, again with age 18 to 29, and has about 8 million active users in the country. Okay, now after those boring stats that we discussed, let's go further and let me show you how to create your social media pages. So first, let's start with the most popular social media platform nowadays, with which is Facebook. So I have here a dummy Facebook account that I've created. So before you can create a Facebook page, you need to have an existing Facebook account. So you can use your personal account if you prefer to, but if you have if you want to create a different account that is specifically intended to manage this page, that is fine as well. Okay, so let's start and create your Facebook page. So first thing is once you have logged into your Facebook account, go to the left navigation section and go and find pages. Here's pages. And once you are in pages, click on create new page and then type in the information about your page. So for example, the page name. So I will just name this I will just use a very generic brand name for this one. So page name is your brand name, the name of your business. Okay. So I'll just say burger seller because right now I'm going to show you how to create a page using a business that is selling some burgers. So I'm going to just use that generic name. And then I will add category. So let's see if restaurant is there, or let's see if burger or okay. So burger restaurant is here. So I'm going to click this one. So category is very important. Okay. And make sure you use the proper category on your Facebook page, so that people don't get confused uh, which category your business fall into. So for bio, I can ask ChatGPT to do this for me. So, but for now, I will just add a very generic bio for this one. So it says optional, okay, but as much as we are encouraging you to fill the bio section because these will give a short information about what your business is and to give people an idea what you're selling, what kind of things are you offering. So for here, I'm just going to write we are selling the most delicious burger around Ontario. So let's say, for example, maybe let's use Barry to be more specific. Ontario. So that's my bio. That's bio should be a very short. You don't need to put all a lot of details. Do not overwhelm it. Make it simple and short. Okay. Now once I have those information, I'll hit on create page. And as you can see, Facebook is now creating the page. Now, next step is to add your website. So I'm just going to add a fake website for now, but here you should add your real website. But since this is just a demonstration, I'll just add a fake one. So, burger seller, let's say Barry. And then for my mobile number, of course, I will use Canadian one, and I'll just use a random one here. Your phone must be valid. Yeah, I'll just leave it that for now. For email, of course, you want to use here your company email where they can contact you. Personal email is also fine as long as you're okay receiving business type of emails. If your personal email is the one that you're going to use as a contact information here in Facebook page, you need to prepare yourself because sometimes people uh, ask some questions and do some inquiries via email. So yeah. So here I'm just going to use our, let's say, a dummy contact email. So contact at burgersellerberry.com. And for location, uh, yeah, of course, you need to put your address here. So for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to use the address for Averi, e-commerce. I pull that out. 92 Kaplan Avenue, Berry. Hours. Now, this is your operation hours. So if you are selling like 9 to 5, if you are 24/7, if you have some specific hours only where you are open, then you can always put those time here. So for now, I'll just say we're open at selected hours. Like for Monday, I'm going to say like 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Yeah, there is no way to duplicate this. So for demonstration purposes only, I'm just going to fill up Monday to Tuesday. But again, if your schedule is from Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday, you're open for a specific hours, just add it here. So I'm going to save this one and then I'll hit next. Let's wait for it. Oh, phone number. That's it. Oh, phone number. So I'll just use some fake numbers here. I'll just use the number from Abeti if we have a phone number here on the website. Yes, here. Thanks. Oh, come on. I'll just use this one. But again, use your real email here. It's just for demo. Okay, now we'll add profile picture. So I'm going to add my profile picture now. So I'll hit this button. Then I'll use this profile photo that I have here. And then as you can see, the photo did not fit perfectly, and it's up to you to adjust it in the future. But right now, just to fill up this placeholder, I'll just add this photo and I'll add the cover photo. Now, if you are wondering what is the exact sizes for this one, we can email those to you. Just simply ask question from us. Now, once you have the profile photo and the cover photo added, click on next. If you have a WhatsApp and you WhatsApp a number and you want to connect it, you can also go on and connect it. But for now, I'm going to skip it. I'll add friends later to help your grow your page. I'll do that later. Yeah, then click done, and there you go. Now you have your Facebook page. Now this is the Facebook page that you just had set up. Now you can continue adding more information about your business by going to about and filling up this information, like adding your social link, like social link for other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or X now. Then also you can add your price range. The price range would be how much what you're selling is, the minimum to maximum. Then services, since we are selling burger, I don't think this is applicable for us. Language, it's also optional. You can add what kind of language you are using on your store or to communicate with your customers. And that's it. That's how you create your Facebook page. It's really quick and easy, right? And it's straightforward. Now let's go and create your Instagram page. So first thing, I'll go to instagram.com. And as you can see here, it says uh, I'm in the home page and you can log in via Facebook. But right now, we don't have an account yet, so we will click on sign up. So in sign up, you can use either your mobile number or your email. So for now, I'm going to use my email. I'm going to use this email that I've created for demonstration purposes. Okay. And password and full name. So I'll put burger seller as full name can be your real name or your brand name. It's really up to you. Because right now we're just using we're just going to create a personal account in Instagram. There is also an Instagram account that is called a business account, but we'll deeper on that on a later session, maybe next week or the following weeks. Then for username, ideally you really want to use a username that is close to your brand name. But sometimes some usernames are already taken, so you can tweak around with it. So let's try burger seller. Let's see if that's not being used yet. Then enter your birthday. So I'm going to add like a random birthday here. Whatever. Click next. Okay, so here it is asking for a phone number. So this is a way for Instagram to fight spams and fake accounts. So I'm going to comply with what they need right now. Next, motorcycle. Come on. Oh, car. Just okay. Next. So let's sign up. Let's check the notification code. There we go. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so the account has been created. Now, I'm not sure why it didn't ask for my phone number earlier, but it was like saying that I need I need a phone number to sign up. But here you go. So here's your profile. If you into the profile, or you can start editing it. So all you have to do is go to profile, then click edit profile. Then add your website. Okay, I think the website is not currently available right now to be filled up because the account is currently new. So I'm just going to add my bio. First, gender. I'll just leave it by default. So account suggestions and profiles. Yeah, that's fine. By default. Click submit. Then go back and check your profile. Hit refresh. So remove is not appearing. So there is there's your bio there. So let's try again and check it. Okay, hopefully you'll give me the option to add our website. So currently it's not a possible right now because the account is very new. So once you have get the traction out of it, like following more people, adding contents, then you should be able to edit this one. Okay, that's how you create your Instagram account. So if you have any questions, just let me know. So let's go to TikTok and create our account. So go to tiktok.com. As you can see in the homepage, there's no button to sign up. So all you have to do is click login and there's a pop-up tool up there, then click on the sign up button here. Then use phone or email. Of course, I'm going to just use a random birthday. Something like that. And then I'm going to use sign up with email. And then it will ask you to send a code to check if your email is valid. So let's wait for this one. Okay, so I will see the code. Then, okay, so username, maybe let's try burger seller. Okay, it's not being accepted. So we'll just skip that one. We'll fill it up later. Okay, now we're logged in. Let me pause this. Okay, so now let's edit your TikTok personal account. So go here and then click on view profile and click edit profile. Now username, as I was saying earlier, we can add the username later on once we are already logged in. So now let's add something like burger. Let's see if that's already. So here, I'm just going to add the name of the brand and same thing here. We are selling most delicious burger in Barrie, Ontario. And that's it. Click save and click confirm. Let's just wait and refresh. Okay, so go to view profile and there you go. The username that you have added has been is already being used in your profile. Now, that's how you create your TikTok account.